I am Emil. I'm gonna do static boat experiment.
Hi Emil,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so what we need for this experiment, Emil?
We need balloon
Okay,
and one plain paper
okay, you need a plain paper. Okay, what's
And-
next?
and make a boat. Can you help me, Daddy?
Okay, I'll help you. You know how to do the boat?
No.
Okay, take a plain paper, A4 size sheet, and make it as a perfect square. So, what I'm doing is, I'm just folding the paper and cut this extra piece of paper. So this is a perfect square. I'll show you how. So now I'm removing the extra piece of paper from that square, from that rectangle paper. So now cut this extra piece. Or you can also use the scissor to cut it, whichever is easy for you. So now
Open it.
see, look at this. So this is a perfect square. So what we need to do now is, you need to fold it like this first, fold it into half, and turn the paper and again fold it one more time. Now, so this is a small square. Okay, so now if you look here, it will be 4 pieces. So you need to fold one by one. One. On one side, you need to fold 3 pieces. 2, 3. Now, turn it to the opposite side and fold the other side here. Okay, so now if you try to open this, it will be like a cup. So just fold it to the center. Now if you try to open this, it will be a boat. Can you see? This is a boat now. So the boat is ready.
And take the balloon and rub it on your ass.
Okay, so you're testing the static.
Yes.
Okay. Where you're testing? Okay.
Let's see. It's working. It's coming up, you see?
Yeah, the static is working. I can see the paper is coming up.
You see?
Okay, so this is how the boat will move in the water?
No. Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
rub and your ass and place it in the boat.
Okay, so after placing the boat in the water, we need to do the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, let's test it.
And place the boat in the water. You see it's moving.
Wow. You know how the boat is moving?
No,
It's because of the static.
I don't know so.
See, it's moving.
Yes,
Thanks for the experiment, Emil.
you're welcome.
Bye-bye.